but
Look at the view behind him. So beautiful.
We ain't worried about the view. Fuck the view. Put the camera on me.
Oh my, it's
okay?
on you.
Put the camera on the star of the show.
Oh my God. Hey y'all, I decided to vlog last minute. We are at Black Bear Diner, about to get some food. We just got an oil change on my car. We got a little run around to do, so I'm gonna try to take y'all along for that. If I forget to come back to the camera, sorry, but yeah, we're about to get something to eat right now.
All right, honey, let me show you how I go. You see what they say?
God, she's so dramatic.
Yeah, Black Bear Diner. You see what they said? I was told that this is where it's at. This is my first time here, but my friends highly recommended it, so I said, let me try it out. Let me give it a shot. Now, I can let y'all know the update when the food reach. Because if it don't taste good, I can let y'all know. Y'all know how I go. My mouth ain't got no law. So, with that being said, hope y'all having a good day. We'll get back to y'all later. Update, guys. Alright, so just in case y'all didn't know, we got orange juice. Not just any orange juice. This ain't the processed shit. You see what they said? Listen to me. Freshly squeezed orange juice. If you go in the store and you buy your orange and you peel that motherfucker and you suck that or eat that and you taste that orange juice, that same juice that you're getting from the orange is what's in this cup. Just so y'all know. That's a plus already. We can see what's going on with the food still though.
I hope y'all see what I deal with on a daily basis. But this orange juice really is good though.
Freshly squeezed.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah, I'm about to eat here in a minute. You sure?
Yeah, the food looks really good.
Body can dress to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, fit jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way, looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just wanna party, call me tequila shawty. We just wanna party, yeah, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, yeah. We're on our way, yeah. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah. We're on our way, yeah. Pull up to the party like my name is the life. Tension so thick, you could cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that. Been fly since way back. Ask me how I do that. Yeah, 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 yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it.
Water park fun, guys.
Y'all, let me tell y'all what happened to me.
We out here like big fucking kids.
I'm a kid for real because I tried to go down this yellow slide.
Oh yeah, show them the slide.
As soon as I hit that curb, I
She
flipped.
came down with no tube.
I flipped right off of that thing, right off the floaty. So I'm going down the slide the whole way on my stomach like this. Oh gosh.
Everyone else was clueless.
And every time I thought it was over, it wasn't. And then when I got down into the water, I was dunked in it, swallowed all kind of water. Y'all, it was all bad. It was all bad. I thought I was gonna lose my life. Biggie talking about where your floaty at, and I'm like, floaty? Where's my life? I'm trying to keep up with my life. I heard it's crazy. We've been in this wave pool. We've been in the wave pool. I try to catch the waves when they come next. We're trying to find me a funnel cake.
8-piece lamb boneless, chicken and fries, bacon cheddar ranch fries, cheese fries, seasoned fries, jumbo pretzels, and nachos.
Where is the funnel cake? That's what I'm looking for. It's the funnel cake, funnel cake, funnel cake. This is where I need to be at, y'all. These are slides I can go down. The kiddie slides. Y'all, we found my funnel cake. I can't wait. Babe ordered it. I found a spot to sit it. There's a lazy river. We've been in the wave pool. I guess they renamed Whitewater Bay to Hurricane Harbor or something associated with Six Flags. So Oklahoma trying to come up apparently. But it's really nice though. It has exceeded my expectations. I am really, really impressed with it. Well, this is the funnel cake, y'all. I thought he was just gonna get regular. And I guess they didn't have no vanilla ice cream.
I'm so fucking mad. I was so fucking mad.
Wow.
I'm like, how the fuck do you want to?
That's the basic. That's what everyone gets. Don't you think you should have plenty of that?
I gave them a hard time there.
I'm sure you did. I said, I'm sure you did.
You know my mouth ain't open. Those deep fridge.
It's good though. What kind of ice cream is it? Like mint?
Mint chocolate chip.
Oh wow. I don't know if I've ever had this kind of ice cream. Let's see how it tastes.
Shit.
Oh Lord.
That's Ty's favorite ice cream. I don't know what you're seeing that.
Ew. Yeah, that messes it up. I said that messes it up. I don't like that mint, y'all.
What up? What up? What up? What up?
Alright, y'all, this is the slide right here. This yellow one. This yellow one. I damn near lost my damn light phone. It's right here. Chris and them about to come down now. Look at them up there. Dang, they should be coming. They be coming down like pros, boy, and I came down like a complete idiot. On my stomach, holding for dear life. It was terrible. Lifeguard didn't even come check on it. There go Chris. Oh gosh. rest of them. Yeah. How was it? There goes Nicole. She stayed on this time. Yeah. Now where Vicky at? Which one?
That was good.
You trying to come down all cool. Okay, y'all. Now they going down this one. Hell no. Look at them waving. Oh, Lord. They probably about to come down. Wow. Did Chris come down there with you? So scary. Now they came down the wrong one. Goodness. I thought they was coming down this one. Oh Lord, he came down. Where your floaty at? Oh. Well, at least you came down your back and not your stomach. There he goes. He coming down with yours. He said he wasn't getting back in there.
Going this way or this way?
Alright, y'all, I got my nails did. They survived. I just got them done Monday. But my toes, honey, I'm gonna have to go fix that. That's not okay. Back to the nail salon we go. I love this color. I think I'm gonna try white next. Babe, did you have a great time?
Yes.
Did it exceed your expectations?
Yes.
Ooh! Almost dropped you.
Nice. As y'all can see, she can't see a perfect camera person.
Leave me
It
alone.
look like when it comes to me, you know, the camera just can't seem to stay straight.
Shut up.
But
Look
check it
at the
out.
view behind him. So beautiful.
We ain't worried about the view. Fuck the view. Put the camera on me.
Oh my, it's
okay?
on you.
Put the camera on the star of the show.
Oh my
Show
gosh.
what's going on. I don't know about yours, but when I come to the water park, I scare on like a child. You see what I'm saying? I is unlock that 8-year-old that trapped inside my body. Y'all can play cute if y'all the fucking want. Me, I fucking living my life. This is the best one too. Check it out.
All right.
See them slides right there? They don't fuck around. I tell you, I fucking come down them the wrong. I come around. Shawnee's come down the wrong way. Voice down my laugh. I come down the wrong way. I say, "Good God Almighty." I was like, "Oh man,
Yeah.
can't do that no more."
And then y'all seen him in that one. He run around like twice. Scared he wasn't gonna go down.
I call that the fucking toilet bowl. That shit flush you like a toilet.
Yeah. And you go around a couple times and then you shoot down to the bottom and come out.
When you in that bitch, and you go around in circles, I promise you, you ain't get nothing but, oh, I will get off this motherfucker. I thought it was fun. It looked fun at first until I get on there. I was like, oh Lord, what is
Yeah,
this?
that's why I didn't get on that beach. If y'all have never seen what a wave pool looks like, this is what a wave pool looks like. They're bigger when you up there. I just can't really show y'all. That's what a wave food look like, y'all. If y'all ain't never been in one.